So right now I'm testing the resistance, from the appliances now to the electrode. For this I'm going to use a multimeter. From the appliances, disconnected here. So for a long distance, I'm going to use it to test the multimeter to test from where the earth terminals are, socket point the SPD to display the resistance and the voltage between the earth rod and the neutral terminal and the light terminal. So the resistance from the socket now is just 4 ohms. From this extension now is 4 ohms to the earth rod. That's still okay. Let's check from the SPD. About 3 to 4 ohms, which is also okay. From the SPD. Yeah, the voltage. Okay, this should be AC. So I'm changing it now to the voltage probe, the positive terminal, and okay, this from DC now to AC. So apparently between your earth terminal and your neutral terminal should be relatively okay. So here we have 11.52 volts. Okay. Then from the live terminal to the earth, okay, we have to 35. So obviously there's leakage voltage here. 11 should be between 0 to 5 volts. And if you calculate leakage voltage, it shouldn't be more than 5 volts to 35. Okay, so let's measure the neutral and the live now. Let me change the probe. So normally the voltage is 225 volts that is supplied from distribution company Disco. So because we have about 11 volts, leakage voltage, that is when it was entering to 35. Measuring with the earth terminal. So ideally, like I said before, the earthing needs to be enhanced and done properly. So after that is done, the voltage will reduce and the resistance also will reduce drastically, and the earthing can be said to be efficient. Thank you.